The key difference between an investment plan and term insurance lies in their purpose, returns, and risk factors. Term insurance is a pure protection plan providing financial security to families in the event of the policyholder's death during the term. In contrast, investment plans aim for wealth creation and are designed to grow money over time, including options like ULIPs, mutual funds, and endowment plans. Term insurance offers no returns if you survive the policy term and provides a payout only upon death during the term. In contrast, an investment plan provides returns, which can be market-linked or fixed, though it often yields lower returns compared to direct market investments in some cases. Term insurance offers high coverage at a low premium, exemplified by 1 crore rupees coverage for a minimal yearly cost. In contrast, investment plans are more expensive as they combine both insurance and investment elements. Term insurance provides protection without investment risk, while investment plans, such as market-linked, ULIP, and traditional plans, vary in risk and return. Market-linked plans carry higher risk and potential returns, whereas traditional plans offer low risk and low returns. Term insurance is simple, transparent, and free of hidden charges, while investment plans tend to be complex and may include various fees such as management and allocation charges. Term insurance is best for protecting your family financially, while investment plans are suited for building wealth with some insurance, though they are not ideal for pure protection. Financial experts advise purchasing term insurance for protection while investing separately for wealth accumulation. This approach offers maximum coverage at a low cost and the potential for higher returns through independent investment options like mutual funds. Person A opts for term insurance, paying 10,000 rupees for 1 crore in coverage. In contrast, Person B chooses an investment plan with an annual cost of 50,000 rupees for lower coverage and moderate returns. By selecting term insurance, Person A can invest the additional 40,000 rupees elsewhere to achieve potentially higher returns. Term insurance is recommended for those prioritizing family protection, while investment plans are suitable for those looking for a combination of savings and insurance, albeit less efficiently. Thank you for watching, and please follow for more videos.